This video, a hanger box of 2019 Absolute Football. Stay tuned. Hello YouTube, Jason G back with another video. Today I have a box of 2019 Absolute Football hanger box. Let's get ripping. So in this box you have, it says look for ultra rare kaboom insert. 2019 Panini Absolute Football features a 200 card set including 100 base and 100 rookies. Okay, here's my pack. You can get a Joe Burrows in this pack. David Johnson, Jordan Howard, Mark Ingram, Devontae Adams, DeAndre Hopkins, Jameis Winston, Keenan Allen, Tom Brady, Juju Smith-Schuster, Kenny Galladay, Marcus Mariota, Leonard Fournette, Jimmy Garoppolo, Ezekiel Elliott, Drew Brees, Derrick Henry, Aaron Donald, Derek Carr, Kiko Alonso, Mitchell Trubisky, Nick Chubb, a introduction is Dwayne Haskins, team trios Marlon Mack, Andrew Luck, T.Y. Hilton. Okay, these cards are stuck. Maurice Hurst, Peyton Manning, LaShawn McCoy, Roquan Smith, Joe Mixon, Devontae Freeman. Josh Jacobs, Cleveland Farrell rookie card. This is Josh Jacobs rookie. Put that on the side. A.J. Brown rookie. Gary Jennings Jr. rookie. DeAndre Baker rookie. Harry McKeel rookie. Ugo Amadi rookie card. Elijah Holyfield rookie. Bryce Love, Raquel Armstead rookie. Irv Smith Jr. rookie. O'Shane Xminis rookie. Julian Love rookie. Noah Fant rookie. Devin White rookie. Emmanuel Hall rookie. Damian Harris rookie. Juwan Thorhill rookie. Jarrett Stidham rookie. Marquise Blair rookie. Ryan Finley and Alex Barnes. So no Joe Burrows. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment, like, hit the notification bell. Till next time.